Alright guys, let's go. Let's get this build started. You guys know I just bought this. The newest addition to the family. And we're gonna try to basically replicate this car on this car. I have a lot of work to do. A bunch of little stuff with this car, like I need a new bumper. But that's what we're gonna do today. I have the bumper there. This skirt package came off the track. There's like a U-track that runs along. That this thing, I guess maybe if he hit some snow or something, it might have lifted this up and pulled it off the track right there. So I'm gonna have to get this off, which I'm hoping comes off nicely because I took the ones off this car before and they're just all rusted and they break. There's like 4 screws under there. I'm hoping I can get them off clean. So I'll have to reset that skirt package. So if you guys see here, there's a pretty good dent right here, but it's not too bad. We'll just have to get that pulled, get this all sanded down and repainted. But the car looks great. There's no rust anywhere. This rear bumper is gonna have to be repainted. It's got some good nicks on it right here. Other than that, pretty clean car, 0 rust. I'm happy with it. So yeah, for today we're gonna do the bumper. There it is, I got the lip off. I'll just clean up the bumper as best I can, and then I'll take the lip off the other one. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but this is where the skirt package was, so it's probably never been off. But like there are 2 different color silvers where it's seen the sun for all those years. This one's like way different down here. Look at the difference in color. It's so nice, this one. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this bumper off. Pretty clean still. My crash bar is rusted right out. This one still looking pretty clean in there. Alright guys, I just gotta get the lip off this one and put it on the other one. Alright, time to put the lip onto the new bumper. Alright, we got the bumper and the skirt all back together, so I'm just gonna put this on, see how it looks. Whole bag of new ones. Alright guys, there you have it. Got the new bumper on. Transferred the lip over. Way better. I mean, I know I gotta paint it. It's gonna need to get painted for sure. Well, we're off to a good start. Check that off the list. Alright guys, I guess that's it for what we'll call episode 1 of K-swapping my my Civic here. We're just gonna keep doing a bunch of the little things before I gotta do the big swap. So be sure you hit that like and subscribe, and follow me along the journey of K-swapping this thing.